Hi, this is for the 7th grade Texas history. We're in chapter 4, and this is just the chapter introduction. So this is actually video 1, so don't let that confuse you. Video 1 is for the introduction. Video 2 will be for lesson 1, which will be a separate video altogether, and the link will also be in Google Classroom. For this lecture series, though, we're just introducing the whole subject of the early peoples of Texas. And I have my other computer here so that I can show you on a screen. I will do better with the rest of the video recordings and everything. But if I can show you, and you can't see it very well because of the glare, but you can see that you can have access to this through connected at mcgraw-hill.com. And you have your login. If you can't log in, please email me. I may not get to it right away, but I can get to you um, soon. So if you can see this foldable, you will be responsible for making this foldable and having it ready, and we'll be using this through the whole chapter. So it'll come in handy, and I think you'll enjoy doing it. Remember how you do foldables. The way to do it is you can look in the back of the book, and I think when you access the book electronically, it'll also have a section back there too. If not, let me know, and then we'll work at it that way. The next thing I want us to do is you will notice that you have an assessment attached to Google Classroom. I think it's Google Classroom. If not, it will soon will be, and it looks like this: the anticipation guide. What do you know? Early peoples of Texas. And you were to fill this out. It's a participation grade. It's not that I'm going to grade you on content, because this is to access your background knowledge. So answer all of those, and we'll discuss it in the first few minutes of class tomorrow on Tuesday. So today is the 2nd, so we're talking about the October 3rd. The next thing that we are going to talk about is the place and time of Texas. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time on knowing exactly when everything started. When we start getting into specific dates of very specific events, then we'll start knowing those dates, and you'll have to memorize those and duplicate those on tests and such. So, chapter 4 is all about the early people of Texas. We'll talk about the ancient people in lesson 1, some of the cultures, such as the southeastern and the Gulf cultures, Plains and Puebloan cultures, and then we'll have a test sometime next week. We're going to spend a lot of time this week setting up Flip Classroom and getting into the routine of it and such. So this is another one of the boring videos. It's 2 or 3 minutes, but take time right now and go and do your foldable. And so when we talk about lesson 1, you will see that it will start to make sense. All right. See ya.